Hi, my name is Matt Carcio, one of the product specialists here at Shaler Subaru. Today we're going to be showing you how to pair a cell phone to your Subaru Bluetooth system. Okay, so you're going to go into your settings on your phone, first thing, and into your Bluetooth. Okay, once you do that, you'll see some of your other devices popping up here. On the bottom of the Subaru screen, you're going to see this little house. That's your home screen. That's where we are now, is home. You're just going to hit the phone button right there. And you're going to hit yes to connect device. On the bottom of your phone, then you will see Outback pop up, or the particular model. Just tap that, then hit pair. All right, it's going to allow contacts to sync. Hit allow if you want to pull your contacts over. It says connected on the phone. It'll take a second here. It says on top, connected. It's going to ask you if you want to hit the CarPlay. We're not going to do that right now. Ask you for Starlink. Not right now. We're just connecting the phone. So we'll hit no on that and skip. This is for your contacts to transfer. Just hit yes. It asks you permission. And fairly quickly, you can see it's going to pop your contacts right over. All right, at that point, you know that the car is actually paired. And also along the top, you'll see your bars and your battery with your Bluetooth symbol there. That's letting you know the phone is paired as well. And that's it.